Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, back with another Boost It. Today we're talking about BMC light fog kits for the 23 to 24 Ford Power Stroke. If you've never ran these before, it will drastically change the lighting on the front of your truck. Whether you're the hunter that goes out on the evening hunts or driving down the road at night, or the ultimate off-road machine, this kit will completely light up everything in front of you, utilizing factory mounting locations in your fog light area. Now, one thing that's cool about this kit is it does have 3 different options for the lighting. You have Diode Dynamics, you can get rigid, or as you can see on this kit, you can upgrade to the ultimate and get some Baja Designs lights for the front of your truck. So if you're looking to light up everything in front of you for your 23 to 24 Ford Power Stroke, come check us out. Look for BMC Lights at dieselpowerproducts.com.